Salwete Diskipuli, hello 8th grade. This video is for my students who are remaining fully remote for the time being. I'm just going to be walking you through what we're going to be doing in our classes this week. So this first video is we're going to be walking through the model sentences, these sentences at the beginning of stage 5. So we're moving on to stage 5 in teatro, in the theater. You're going to be doing some reading about the theater at Pompeii this week. But in class, we're going to be reading and translating these model sentences. So this first video, and I'm trying to find a good spot to move my face. This first video, I'm just going to read through all of the sentences. And then in the next video, I'm going to go over the translations. So what you're going to do is you'll watch this first video. As I read through the sentences, I would like you to repeat the sentences after me. So pause the video after I say a sentence so that you can say it out loud yourself. I do want you to say it out loud yourself, please. And so we're going to read through all of these sentences, taking a look at the pictures and kind of using context clues and vocabulary to figure out what's going on in these sentences. And then we'll stop part 1, and then you will, at that point, translate each of these sentences on a piece of paper in your Latin notebook. Leave a space in between each sentence. So you're going to translate what each sentence means. Once you've translated all of the model sentences, and there's another 2 pages of this, then you will watch part 2 of the video in which I go over the translations. Now, when you write your translations, I would like you to write them in either blue or black ink, so that when you're correcting them, instead of trying to erase pencil marks and rewrite things, which it can be a bit messy, what you're going to do is instead you're going to cross out any mistakes you've made and corrected them using a different color of ink. This way you have a visual kind of guide of seeing, hey, what did I maybe mix up? What mistakes did I make? How did I correct them? So you can kind of see what you might need to work on, what you might need to practice more. So, without further ado, let's walk through these model sentences. In via. Canis est in via. Canes sunt in via. Servus est in via. Servi sunt in via. Puella est in via. Puellae sunt in via. Puer est in via. Pueri sunt in via. Mercator est in via. Mercatores sunt in via. I'll move myself up here so I can go to the next page. In teatro. And this TH we do actually pronounce as a T sound instead of a Th sound like we would in English. Spectator in teatro sedet. Spectatores in teatro sedent. Actor in scaena stat. Actores in scaena stant. Femina spectat. Feminae spectant. Senex dormit. Senes dormiunt. Juvenes plaudit. Juvenes plaudunt. All right, so again, make sure that you are practicing saying these sentences out loud. It's another way of getting the material into your brain. When we're practicing a language, it helps to practice the language in multiple ways, and saying the language is one of those ways. So at this point, again, you're going to go and translate each of these sentences on a piece of paper, write in blue or black ink, and once you've done that, you can go ahead and head on over to the part 2 video. Walete, and I will see you in part 2.